See here, there is one more problem. The radius of the earth is about 6400 kilometer, and that of Mars, there is another planet, one more planet, Mars about 3200 kilometer. That means there are two planets. One planet is earth, another one Mars. The radius of the earth is 6400 kilometers, radius of the earth. And radius of the Mars, this is around 3200. That means half of the radius of the earth. They given two planets. Earth is one planet, planet B is Mars. Okay, the mass of the earth is about 10 times that of the mass of the Mars. So mass, let us consider, this is Mars X. The mass of the Mars is X, and mass of the earth is 10 times of mass of the Mars. That means 10x. 10x. Okay, mass 10 times the mass of the, an object weigh 200 newtons on the surface of the earth. That means here weight on the earth, this is the earth, weight on the earth, weight on the earth is equals to 200 newtons. Now what is the weight on the surface of the Mars? So now we need to get what is the weight on the Mars surface. So there are two planets. One is Earth, 6400 radius. Another planet is, radius of the planet Mars is 3200. So they consider one object weight on the Earth is 200 newtons. The same object weight on Mars, how much will be? ఎంత ఉంటుంది? That one we need to calculate. Okay, so they given weight. So you know that weight is equals to mg, mass into acceleration due to gravity. First of all, we need to get acceleration due to gravity. Automatically we are going to multiply it with mass. Okay, so here mass of the Mars is x, mass on the earth is 10x. Okay, so now we know that, first of all we know that g is equals to capital G capital M by r square. This is the relation between acceleration due to gravity and mass and radius. They also given mass, radius, these two. G is constant. First of all we are going to calculate. So here relation GE by G Mars we need to get. What is the relation for GE? GE means so capital G is remains constant, ME by RE square by G mass. This is G capital M Mars by, and R Mars whole square. That is equals to here G capital M E by RE whole square into reciprocal. So R Mars whole square by G capital M Mars. Here capital G gets cancelled. So now I am going to take, so here next step is GE by G Mars, which is equals to ME, mass on the earth is 10x. They given 10x by RE, radius of the earth. How much they given here? This is RE, radius of the earth 6000. This is R Mars is 3200. So RE square means 6400 into 6400. So into R Mars square, this is the Mars square. So 3200 into 3200 R square by mass of the Mars. We are assuming here x. So in this condition x gets cancelled. Two zeros, first two zeros gets cancelled. Here two zeros gets cancelled. So next point is here 32 ones, 32 twos are 64. Again 32 ones, 32 twos are 64. Okay, so in this condition we are going to get so GE by G Mars Mars, Mars, not Mars, Mars, which is equals to here 10 is there. So now here 2 ones, 2 5s also gets cancelled. Now 5 by 2, 5 by 2. So from this equation I am going to write here GE. Now multiplied with m by m, it becomes weight అవుతుంది అనమాట. So it becomes m by m, mge by mg Mars, which is equals to 5 by 2. This becomes weight on the earth, because mg is equals to weight on the earth by weight on the Mars, which is equals to 5 by 2. Now what is the weight on the earth they given? 200. So now 200 by weight on the Mars, we need to get weight on the Mars, which is equals to 5 by 2. So now 5 ones, 540s, 540s are 200, 5 4s 20, 0. Cross multiplication. So 4 into 2, 40 into 2 and we must. So finally weight on Mars is equals to 40 into 2, that is equals to 80 newtons. This is the weight on the Mars. So option 3 is the correct one. Okay, thank you.